Good afternoon viewers, welcome back to Brain Sizzlers. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போற டாபிக் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப ஃப்ரூட்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும், particularly for competitive exams both for school goers and for college goers. Let's get back to the topic. Today's date is 11th of July. So topic பாத்தீங்கன்னா equation based sums. Equation based sums in C.I Calculation. So equation based sums கேட்டானா எப்படி tackle பண்ணுறது? Straight away practical examples ஓட நம்ம solve பண்ணுவோம். Okay, let's go to the question number 1. Let the rate of interest for a particular principal be 20%. Had the principal been 25% lesser and the amount after 1 year, is rupees 40 less numerically, the rate of interest would have been 33.33%. What was the original principal? Okay, question proper understand பண்ணிக்கோ. Rate of interest for a particular principal வந்து 20%. So original principal value தெரியாது. So we had some data regarding the rate of interest for it, which is 20%. Principal வந்து ஒருவேளை 25% கம்மியாக இருந்து amount after 1 year rupees 40 less, then the rate of interest would have been 33.33%. What was the original principal? இது ஒரு typical scenario. இதுக்கு நம்ம linear equations frame பண்ணி solve பண்ணலாம். See, first, it's always wiser to convert percentages into ratios. So 20% ratio மாத்தினீங்கன்னா it's 1/5. So 1/5 of the principal தான் rate of interest இருக்கு. That means P plus 1/5. P plus 1/5P. அதுதான் வந்து original amount after 1 year. That is taking this one LCM and then 6P/5. This is the original amount. இப்போ என்ன சொன்னாங்க? Had the principal been 25% lesser, again corresponding to 25%, ratio value will be 1/4. So principal ஒருவேளை 25% கம்மியாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா, so P minus 1/4P, that is equal to 3/4P. So ஒருவேளை original principal இந்த அமௌண்ட்டாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா and the amount after 1 year is rupees 40 less. So 6P by இது வந்து revised principal, இது original principal P, இது revised principal. So revised amount என்ன? Original amount ஓட 40 ரூபாய் கம்மி. So 6P minus 5 minus 40, இதான் வந்து revised amount. Then the rate of interest would have been 33.33% more. So 33.33% more na 33.33% rate என்றாங்க. இந்த rate வந்து with respect to revised principal. Okay, so 33.33% na enna? 1/3 of P. So 1/3 of P you have to add it to the existing. That means 3/4P plus 3/4P times 3/4 times 1/3. 3/4P times 1/3. That is 3/4P into 4/3 or 1 plus 1/3, which is nothing but 4/3 or. So this is equal to 6P/5 minus 40. இதுதான் வந்து நம்ம required linear equation to solve the problem. திருப்பி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறேன். இந்த 3/4Pன்றது revised principal. அதுலேருந்து நீங்கள் 1/3 of the revised principal நீங்கள் add பண்ணுறீங்க. 1/3 of it is being added because that is the rate of interest revised. So அதோட இதை ஆட் பண்ணும்போது 3/4P times 1 plus 1/3 வரும். I have taken LCM and arrived at this value. So 4 4 cancel, 3 3 cancel. P equal to 6P by 5 minus 40. Okay. So P minus 6P by 5 is minus 40. So minus P by 5 is minus 40. P is rupees 200. So original principal amount. So the original principal amount is rupees 200. Equal to rupees 200. Let's go to second sum. For a particular principal, rate of interest was 20%. Had the principal been reduced by rupees 100 and the amount after 1 year is also reduced by rupees 100, the rate of interest would have been 25%. What was the original principal? So this framing linear equations. So for a particular principal the rate of interest was 20%. So initial condition la enoda principal vandu ஒரு particular principal க்கு என்னோட rate of interest 20. So initial amount போட்டுருங்க, initial principal. So ratio corresponding to 20% is 1 by 5. So P plus 1 by 5P is the initial amount. Again இங்கேயும் 6 by 5P தான் original amount, initial amount A1 வச்சுங்க. Now principal வந்து 100 ரூபாய் குறைச்சிட்டாங்க. So P minus 100. So this is revised principal. Amount லியும் 100 ரூபாய் குறைச்சிட்டாங்க. So 6 by 5P minus 100. So இப்போ நியூ பிரின்சிபல்லேருந்து 25% ரேட் அப்ளை பண்ணிங்கன்னா புது அமௌண்ட் கிடச்சிரும். ஸோ நான் இங்கே 25% கரஸ்பாண்ட்ஸ் டு 1/4. ஸோ 1/4ஓட 1/4 ஆஃப் திஸ் இஸ் ஆடட் டு 1/4 ஆஃப் P minus 100 is added to P minus 100, ரைட்? ஸோ அப்போ நான் டைரெக்டாக அதை 5/4ன்னு எழுதிடலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ 5/4 டைம்ஸ் P minus 100 equal to 6 by 5P minus 100. இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் ப்ராப்பராக உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா போதும். ஸோ நான் என்ன திருப்பி ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுறேன். ரிவைஸ்டு பிரின்சிபல் இந்த அமௌண்ட்டு, ரிவைஸ்டு அமௌண்ட் வந்து இது, ஏன்னா ரெண்டுத்துலேயுமே 100 ரூபாய் கழிச்சிடுறாங்க. இப்போ புது அமௌண்ட் வந்து பிரின்சிபல்லேருந்து ரேட் ஆஃப் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் 25%. ஸோ ரேட் ஆஃப் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் வந்து இதில் தான் நான் இந்த அமௌண்ட்டோட 1/4 of this amount should be added. So that means 5/4 of this amount. Simple. 5/4 times P minus 100 equal to 6 by 5P minus 100. Solve பண்ணிங்கன்னா we'll get the answer. So 5/4P minus 500/4 equal to 6B by 5 minus 500/5 after taking LCM. Sorry, this is 400/4. Or rather 500/4, and this is 600/5. Yeah. So 5/4P minus 6P by 5 equal to 500/4 minus 600/5. So LCM எடுங்க, 25P minus 24P equal to 2500 minus 2000 Yeah, 2500 minus 2400. So that is nothing but okay, sorry, this is not 600. Actually, this is just 100 by 5. Okay, so this is 20. This is just simply 100, right? Okay. So 5 by 4p minus 6p by 4 equal to 500 by 4 minus 100. Simple. Five hundred by 4 is 125. 125 minus 100 is 25. So P is 25 times 20. That is nothing but 500 rupees. So original principal amount is 500 rupees. Let's get to the third sum. Divide rupees 1301 among A and B such that amount for A after 7 years equal to amount for B after 9 years. So this is amount 1301. So divide rupees 1301 among A and B such that amount for A after 7 years equal to amount for B after 9 years. CI rate percentage equal to 4. Okay, so how to calculate this? So 1301 you are splitting it as two fragments, namely 1301 and 1301 minus x. So the equation goes like this: x times 1 plus 4 by 100 times 100 raised to the power 7 equals 1301 minus x into 1 plus 4 by 100 to the power 9. Okay, straight away this value gets cancelled, so balance will be x equal to 1301 minus x times 1 plus 4 by 100 whole square. So x by 1301 minus x equal to 104 by 100 the whole square. So I can simplify 104 and 100, which is both I can divide it by 4. So 26 by 25. So 26 square is 676. 25 square is 625. So x by 1301 minus x equals 676 by 625. So 625x equal to 676 into 1301 minus 676x. So if you add 625 with 676, I get 1301x equal to 676 into 1301. That means x is 676 rupees. So one will get 676, the other person will get rupees 625. So the two will get amount, A will get 676, the other will get rupees 625. Thanks a lot for watching, viewers. Have a nice day.